my name is Shravya. I am studying in grade 7. Today I am going to explain the chapter Transportation in Animals and Plants. Let us know what is transportation. Transportation means any object moving from one place to another. In animals and plants means how the transportation takes place in animals and plants. Let's move on. Human circulatory system. Today we are going to learn about the circulatory system. The circulatory system is a transport system of the human body which consists of a network that supplies food, water, oxygen and all the other parts to the other parts of the body. The main parts of the circulatory system are blood vessel, heart. Blood. Blood is a red color fluid which flows in the blood vessel. Components of blood. The blood can perform several functions because of the different substances present in it. There are four major composition of the blood. First is blood plasma. The fluid is composed of plasma in which different types of cells are suspended. Red blood cells. Do you know what is red blood cells? Red blood cells is the one of the most important cell in our body. It transports the water, minerals, oxygen and also deoxygenated blood. It is special because of the presence of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a red pigment of the blood. It binds with the oxygen and transports it to other parts of the body. White blood cells. Do you know what is white blood cells? White blood cells are the cells which fights against the germs that enter in our body with the food, and in simple words, it activates the antibodies. Next is blood platelets. When you get hurt or cut on your skin, your skin gets bleeding. After some time, the bleeding stops. You notice that some red color layer is formed. That red color layer is known as clot. The clot is formed because of the special cell called platelets. Now we are going to learn about blood vessel. Do you know what is blood vessel? Yes, the blood vessel is a tube-like structure which helps in transportation of blood. There are two types of blood vessel, artery and vein. Do you know what are artery and vein? Let's see. Arteries. These blood vessels carry blood from the heart that contain oxygen into different parts of the body. These blood vessels carry oxygenated blood from heart to all the parts of the body. In veins, these blood vessels carry blood that is rich in carbon dioxide from the body organs to the heart. In this, the veins carry deoxygenated blood from cells to the heart. Arteries have thick wall as the blood pressure is quite higher in this blood vessel. Arteries are thick because the blood pressure is quite higher in the arteries. Veins do not have the thick walls as the blood pressure is quite low in them. Veins are not thick, they are thin because the blood pressure is quite low. They are narrow, so the blood can flow quietly through them. They are narrow, so the blood can flow quietly through the arteries. They are slightly wider than the arteries. They are slightly wider than the arteries. They do not have any valves as the blood in the arteries always flow in the right direction due to the pumping of the heart. They do not have any valves as it flows in same direction, that is right direction, but the veins, they contain valves that prevent blood from flowing in opposite direction. The veins have valves that can prevent them to flowing opposite direction. Now let's jump into the heart. What is heart? Heart is an organ present in our body, pumps the blood in the blood vessel. Heart is the pumping machine of our body. It pumps the blood which carries different substances. It is located in the chest cavity. It is slightly tilted towards the left. There are four chambers of the heart: atrium. Upper two chambers are called atrium and lower two chambers are called ventricle. Do you know what is the double circulation? Double circulation is the process in which the blood travels two times through the heart. How the double circulation acts? Let's see. First, the oxygenated blood from vena cava enters in our. First, the deoxygenated blood from vena cava enters in our heart in right atrium. From right atrium, it goes to right ventricle. From right ventricle, it goes to pulmonary artery to get oxygenated from the lungs. When after getting oxygenated, it comes back from the pulmonary vein, and from pulmonary vein it goes to the atrium. From atrium it comes to the ventricle, and from ventricle it goes to the aorta to distribute in other parts of the body. So thank you.